Still hurt? You take supplements? Pain persists. Collagen in the morning. Green smoothie at lunch. Keto dinner. Nothing changes. Still stiff. Still aching. Still broken. Stop. Watch this. Healing is not a switch. It is a process. Tissues adapt to load. That adaptation needs raw materials. Without them, recovery slows. Regardless of how perfect your exercises are, your squats, your walks, your stretches, all signal repair. None deliver materials. The body cannot build from air. Energy comes first. Healing costs calories. Muscle repair, tendon remodeling, cartilage maintenance, all demand fuel. Underfueled bodies prioritize survival, not adaptation. Pain persists, not because movement is wrong, because resources are insufficient. This is common after 40. Appetite drops, activity stays high, energy availability falls silently. You do not feel it happening until pain stays. Month after month, year after year. Protein is next. Not excessive, consistent, distributed. Amino acids repair tissue continuously. Muscles, tendons, connective tissue. Remodeling never stops. Large single doses do not compensate. 20 grams at breakfast. Nothing for 8 hours. Repair stalls in the gap. Recovery prefers regular supply. Every meal, every snack, steady stream. Micronutrients matter. Iron, vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, commonly low after 40. Deficiencies do not cause pain directly. They reduce tolerance. Tolerance drops. Symptoms persist. Healing slows quietly. You blame age. It is not age. It is missing zinc, missing magnesium, missing the basics. Hydration is overlooked. Dehydration reduces circulation. Circulation limits nutrient delivery, limits waste removal. Tissues become more sensitive. Pain thresholds lower. Water supports tolerance. More than you realize. You drink coffee, not water. Wrong choice. Inflammation regulation matters. Inflammation heals. Chronic inflammation destroys. Ultra-processed foods increase baseline inflammation. Amplify pain sensitivity. Slow recovery. This does not require perfection. It requires reducing frequency, less inflammatory load, more real food. Simple. Supplements get all the attention. They are not primary drivers. They fill gaps. Only when diet fails. Using pills to fix poor eating does not work. Never has. Food quality beats supplement quantity. Every time. Collagen is promoted heavily. Joint health in a scoop. False promise. Collagen synthesis needs vitamin C, needs mechanical loading. Supplements without load do nothing. Load without nutrition also fails. Both required. You bought the jar, skipped the walk, wasted money. Gut health influences recovery. Poor digestion reduces absorption. Stress impairs the gut. Walking improves digestion, stimulates circulation, activates the parasympathetic system. Daily movement heals beyond mechanics. You skipped the walk, took the pill, backwards. Restrictive dieting during recovery. Common mistake. Weight loss goals conflict with healing. Caloric restriction reduces repair capacity. Pain persists. Frustration grows. Recovery needs support, not deficit. Eat enough. Worry about weight later. Heal first. Sleep is when repair happens. Poor nutrition disrupts sleep. Poor sleep slows healing. Cycle compounds. Nutrition supports sleep. Movement supports sleep. System is integrated. You isolate pieces. Fail to see the chain. Anti-inflammatory diets are searched. No single solution exists. Inflammation is regulated by pattern, not individual foods. Consistency beats optimization. You chase superfoods. Miss the basics. Alcohol impairs protein synthesis, impairs sleep quality. Even moderate intake slows recovery. During rehabilitation, reduction accelerates progress. Rarely acknowledged. You drink wine nightly. Wonder why pain stays. Nutrition does not need perfection. It needs sufficiency. Energy matching activity. Protein distributed. Micronutrients adequate. Hydration habitual. When nutrition aligns with movement, tolerance improves. Pain sensitivity drops. Progress stabilizes. Near the end of rehab, nutrition supports consistency. Not trends, not restrictions, not supplement stacks. Real food. Enough of it. Regularly. Recovery does not fail randomly. It fails when resources are insufficient. Movement provides the signal. Nutrition provides the materials. Healing requires both. You have been doing half. Fix the other half.